We will be checking out this setup together, and of course we are going to be using the same trading strategy, the same concept, and of course I will be showing you exactly what to look out for each time you are trading, so that you will have a better understanding of how the strategy works and how you too can apply it from your end. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content we are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So yesterday we actually analyzed some assets, and most of it have actually started, okay, and they gave us profitable results. Okay, you can see this TP 1, 2, 3, 4, and even 5 have been achieved. Just the last TP we are waiting for. Okay, and of course here is another one, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the TPs here have been achieved. Okay, that is how we milk it. Okay, we are been using the same trading strategy, and I'm going to explain all this strategy to you. So this time around, we're checking out this particular asset, Paynex 999. For Paynex 999, we are still going to be using the same trading strategy, but this particular asset we actually milked it right from this resistance zone down to here, okay, down to this region. Okay, so we milked it down to this region, and it played around there for a while, so it shows that it's finding it difficult to break out below this, and which is as a result of the support zone that is there. Okay, so that does not mean it can still not break out from there, but for it to break out, it will have to come down to this region and break out from there. So when I noticed that, I actually waited for an entry point, and the first thing which I usually look out for is to confirm the trend, the switching of the trend from the downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, because this is a trend trading strategy, and the indicator I am also using is a custom made indicator. It also helps me to know when the trend is changing. Okay, so you can see it was showing red before, right from here, but when it got to this support zone, I noticed that it was finding difficult to break out below it. So all I need to do is to wait for it to switch back into an uptrend, that is change from this red color to this yellow color, and it changed at this point. Okay, after getting that, the next thing which I need to do is to wait for a blue arrow to pop out. The blue arrow signifies a buy signal, and it popped out at this point. So I quickly did my setup, entry point, and of course I always add stop loss to whatever I am doing. Okay, so that is what I always tell you. If you are ready to follow instruction, then you are most likely to milk the market for a very long time. If you refuse to follow instruction, then you are most likely to lose your capital while trading. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so like you have, if you have been following up with my videos, apart from the fact that the strategy work, I always set stop loss each time I am trading. And if I'm going to be trading for others, I'll make sure that each of them are having stop loss, a reasonable stop loss strategy for it. Okay, so that is it. So in case it does not go as predicted, because we don't have the full control of the market, then definitely it's going to hit my stop loss and reduce what I can lose in the market. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so right here happen to be my entry point, my stop loss, and I have some highlighted TPs right here. I'm on 15-minute time frame, so this is huge enough. Okay, this is my TP1. It has achieved it already. My TP2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in this kind of situation, this is what I do, because my capital is big enough. All I need to do is to create 6 orders at this point. Okay, each of them will be having stop loss at this point. Okay, and of course TP1, I mean first order, I will make sure it is directed towards TP1. Okay, so immediately my orders get to TP1, first order will close immediately. Okay, second order I will make sure it is directed to TP2. Third order I will make sure it is directed to TP3. Fourth order directed to TP4. Fifth order directed to TP5, and sixth order directed to TP6. Okay, if you are not having the large capital that can accommodate all these orders, okay, I will advise you to divide it, or probably go with a single order and target the last TP. So as you are making some profit, probably this is 6 TPs, right? Yeah, 6 TPs. Once you achieve it up to TP3, you can adjust your stop loss from here and claim and use it to secure some part of your profit in case the market decide to misbehave. You can claim 50% of the profit at that particular point and lock it up. Okay, and as it moves up, then you adjust your stop loss again to claim more profit for yourself. Okay, so if you miss out my video on how to trail up your profits from the beginning of the trend to the very end, you can check my channel for it, and of course, and see how you can do that perfectly well. Okay, now let's check out another asset. Okay, this is SFX 80, volume 80. Okay, also on 15-minute time frame. As you can see, in case you don't know, we actually milk this asset right from this resistance zone to the end of the trend, and it was a successful trade for us, and that is what we are talking right here. All we need to do is to make sure we know when the market is switching from one trend to another, set up our trades, set up our stop loss, highlight some TPs for ourselves, and relax. That is what we have been doing right here. So this happened to be another opportunity. This has been playing within this support zone for a while. Okay, it has been playing within this support zone for a while, and of course, it has not been able to break out below it. And we are hoping that it's going to move up. Okay, so here is a setup for us. Okay, I decided to do this setup this way because it has gotten to this resistance zone several times without breaking out from it. Okay, so I'm breaking the rule a bit right there, and that is the reason. The reason is, okay, I want it to pick up the signal at the top of this. Okay, I want it to break out from that zone and pick up the signal. That is what I want, okay? Because it has been getting there and going back, getting there and going back. So I want something different this time around. Okay, something like this. This is what I want. So once it get there and crosses it, it will activate my order. So that way I have some confidence that it's most likely for it to go in my direction that way. Okay, so else I will have come in at this point. Okay, and this is not so far from the support zone. That is why I am putting it somewhere here. Let it take its time to see if it will break out from this region. Okay, so once it activates this, my stop loss will be here. This is my first TP, second TP, third TP, fourth TP, fifth TP, and sixth TP. Okay, so all these are cool TPs that I have highlighted. Okay, you guys can also take advantage of it. Okay, so that is it. So but first, we are not jumping into the trade right from here. We just wanted to get to this region first and give us a confirmation that it's going to break out from there before picking up our trades. Okay, so that is how it works. So this is a future setup. It can be activated in the next 30 minutes or probably 1 hour if everything works out well, and it is possible for it to come back down and break out from this support zone. So we are still waiting for it. Let's see what will happen right from there. Okay, so that is how you do your analysis and take advantage of the markets, most especially if you are using this strategy. The strategy is called trend trading strategy, and it helps me to trade with ease and um without adding emotion to it. Okay, so that's so amazing. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy um Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp, most especially if you want to know more about my trading tools. Okay, so guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.